got 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all, and I'm around, you're scared to do it. I'm not.
Hey Subbies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Bree here, and today we're going to be installing a new wig, child. Now if you have not seen my video from before of me unpackaging these wigs, then please go ahead and check that out for more details on the hair. But in the meantime, we're going to jump right into it. I'm just gelling back my hair. You can use whatever gel you would like. I had this Eco Styler gel on hand, so I'm just gelling back the my edges just so I can put it under a cap. Now this is optional for you, but I actually forgot to do this step before I put the gel in my hair. But I'm going to go ahead and just oil my scalp. I'll make sure to do this ever so often. I'm going to get into a little bit more about my braids, because as you can tell, they're old. It's almost been a month since I had these in, and so I will do a video on that as well. You can look out for that in my shorts videos. But in the meantime, we're gonna put the cap on. Now, because it is a HD cap, I didn't really need to do too much. But me personally, when it comes to putting caps on, I like to put them on inside out, because I know that thing in the middle, it can snag onto your hair. Just a little tip for you guys in case you didn't know. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put this on. Now you can do the ball cap method if you would like to, but I'm not gonna do all of that. You don't need to, especially with this glueless unit. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I would install it. So before putting the wig on, I am going to take some of my makeup. You can take whatever makeup you may have that matches you best. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on little on the cap, and I'm going to put some onto the wig. Now, I did use a different shade than what I had on my face, which I noticed later. And I'll show you how I fixed that. But make sure to use, especially if you're wearing makeup, make sure to use the same foundation that you're using for your face so that it blends completely. And look at that, y'all. Woo! That gets me every time, child. Every time. And this is straight out the box, you guys. All I did was add a little bit of makeup to blend in with my skin, but this is straight out the box. Okay, so now I'm going to take some oil. I'm using this dangerous illuminated oil. You can use any oil, honestly, but this is what I had on hand. I'm also using it for the smell so that I can help with that hair smell. I'm gonna put that through the hair, and I'm also going to spray my hair with a little bit of water, especially at the top. And I'm gonna use this curling activative, because I could not find the mousse for nothing, you guys. I couldn't find the mousse for nothing, but I'm going to use that to go ahead and put that at the top of my head so that it will lay a little flatter at the top, and that it can, you know, also help with aiding and getting rid of the smell. So this, you guys, is the look that I ended up having. This is the final look. I hope you guys did enjoy this. Now you'll see in a second, I'll show you the front, the lace. You can see it a little bit, because like I said, I ended up using a shade that was a little different from what I actually had on my face, so you can see the contrast if you see it there. And I will show you also how I fixed that in a second. So this right here was after I fixed it. I did use some Got2b spray, and I just sprayed a little on the lace so that it can blend a little better. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. This unit is still glueless. As you can see, I can lift it up, put it back down, press on it a little bit, and you won't even tell. Look, here go the comb test. This is my favorite part. And boom. Look at that. Yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how you feel about it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Peace.
With all